Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can issue a sales invoice from your Crunch account. You can issue an invoice by clicking create an invoice from your main home screen, or you can go to section called sales. You can issue invoice from dashboard by clicking on new invoice, or you can go to invoices section and click on new invoice here. Select customer who you want to charge or issue invoice to, and add invoice details like selecting currency, choosing date, and if there is any references like purchase order numbers what need to be quoted. And still payment terms can be amended. So I will leave my sterlings the same. I will select that my date is 2nd of May. I will leave blank, there is no purchase order or client references provided. Payment terms can change to 7 days, so 1 week. And now I have option to select two types of invoices what I want to issue. Either I want to issue is simple, that will be more like a service invoice, or detailed if we have a quantity and rate per quantities. So if it's more a stock invoice need to be issued. I will go for a simple in this case. Add a line item, click on the pick button, and add description, for example, online course. Add a value, I will add 150 and click save. I can still edit this line if I need to provide more details, and I also can add a discount. So if I have a discount, let's say 10%, then add a monetary value, so £15, click save, and discount will be added there. You can still edit this line and add more details if required. Once we're happy with our main body of an invoice, there is a couple more admin sections. First one is invoice notes. If you want to include invoice note, like I had thank you for your business, we can add it on invoice. Also, if you want to include bank details, we can add here, but if we choose different payment methods which are mentioned in your note, for example like Stripe link or PayPal details, then of course you can deselect your account details. In my case I will select it. And also you can modify late payment reminders. You can switch it off or you can switch it back on by selecting that box and selecting days. After how many days late payment reminders should be distributed, only to you or you both. Okay, and once we are happy, there is a couple of options: save as a draft this invoice, preview an issue, or even cancel. In my case, I will click preview an issue. I can still edit invoice, so this is invoice in preview status. So if I want to add more details or change something, I can edit invoice. If I have added an email address to this client, then I can issue and distribute invoice directly to their email address, or I can just issue invoice and this will be not sent out to client yet, so I can download it at a later stage. In my case, I will click on issue invoice, and when we are on invoices section, we can see that my invoice being issued here. When I click on it, there is the details about my invoice. So this is the way how you can issue an invoice on your Crunch account. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.